Hello everyone, I hope your day is going well. Today I have something new both to me and to my channel. Got some new switches. These come highly recommended for their price point, so I'm excited to check them out. I finally got my hands on some Gateron yellows. They're MX style switches, and apparently they're the king of the budget linear switches. Or so I hear. Today I'm going to install them on my RK68 build. The first step, as always, is disassembly. Taking off the keycaps is easy enough. Taking out the switches takes no time at all due to the magic of Premiere Pro. And here we are. A blank board and a pile of switches. Before I start to install them, I want to do a quick sound test between the stock Gateron yellows and the stock RK red linear. I threw them on the board along with some keycaps for a quick side-by-side. Let me know what you think of the difference. Personally, I think the difference is night and day. Those yellows have a much deeper sound and they're so much smoother to press, but you can't really feel that on video. I cannot wait to lube them. That'll be in a video coming soon. With that out of the way, let's install the rest of the yellows. This took no time at all, and after carelessly bending a few pins, I got the yellows installed. I think they look great on this board. Get those keycaps back on and we're all done. I think it came together nicely. It looks the same, but that's not why we're here. Time for a sound test. I'll include a before and after, and as always a free typing clip at the end. Of course with the yellows installed, so you can really hear what it sounds like to type on them. Thanks for sticking around. Have a good one.